Hello guys, welcome to Zen Edit channel. Okay, in this channel we will talk all about Cronus Zen on PC using mouse and keyboard. Okay, today's video will talk about it's not PC, but it's the same. It's laptop. Okay, many of the viewers say in the comments how to set up the Cronus Zen on the laptop. I think it's the same. Okay, because it's Windows PC or and Windows laptop. Okay, so I will show you here, but I don't use any Zen Studio because the previous video I said that I already set up the Cronus Zen on my PC, so I just plug and play on my laptop. Okay, let's start the video. Next, you will need any Type-C cable from your laptop to your Cronus Zen. Okay, this is very simple. Just plug the Cronus Zen. Okay, and then wait until it's detected, and after that just unplug the mouse and plug it again. That's simple. Okay, now you can see here in the screens in my laptop. Okay, it's kind of different because this is 10 the aspect ratio 10 by 16, the normal one 9 by 16. Okay, this is 10 by 16. You can see, sorry, we a little bit laggy because this is just the RTX 4060. Okay, in my PC it's 5080, this is 4060. Okay, you can see it's working. Sorry, in here it's all good. The scripts is working too. Let's turning off the IMSys. Okay, nice, it's working. Now let's open the sorry, now let's open the game. I will cut into until I get in the game, but it's the same. Okay, using the Cronus Zen on PC and in the laptop. Okay, it's very same. Okay, I will shortcut until I get in the game. Okay, now we are in the game. Sorry, you can see in here, this is my settings, this is controller. Remember, aiming input device change to controller. If you cannot choose, or this is the gray out, you need to restart the game while this connected. Okay, this back USB connected. Remember, uh, restart your games or your PC, not the PC, not the laptop. Just restart the game while this connected. Okay, if it's not changing, okay, restart your laptop while this connected. Okay, this is very simple. I'm using the same sensitivity. The aiming, it's the same. Sorry, you need to change this to dynamic. Movement is the same. The only things is changing is the graphic in here. Okay, I turning off all this, just this. Okay, this is the low one. Okay, because I target the high FPS in here. Sorry. Okay, now let's try some games, just casual games. Okay, I will back until I get into the game. Okay guys, now we are in the game. Okay, you can see in here, it's all good. Okay, the sensitivity is good. Just let's try the the sensitivity in here. Okay, the select cancel is working. All is good. Nice, it's the same. Okay, even though this is 10 by 16. Oops. Nice. I'm not use any.
Check your map. I marked a point containing enemy intel nearby. Capture it for information on the next gas spread.
Okay. It's all in here. What are you?
Mark it down. Marking the rest of them.
I need some long range. Okay. I think it's good.
Confirmed. We've located the rest of them.
I don't like it. I don't use any.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Intel point activated. Now ensure the point is secure.
I don't have any mouse. Sorry. Headset. I can hear the footstep.
You're losing ground. Move it.
Marking enemy. Reloading.
There are some enemy in here. Okay, nice.
Capture complete. Hell of a job. Uploading information on the next gas spread.
Where are you? Oh. Sorry for my bad game. Okay. So that is the how to set up the Cronus Zen on the laptop. That's very simple. It's the same with using the
I'm back on
address
station.
again,
You're redeploying.
using the PC. Okay.
Friendly loadout.
Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.